Hi, it's Jan from Cooking with Jan. I just wanted to do a short video thanking all of my viewers and subscribers for helping us reach our first milestone, which is 100 subscribers. Our next milestone is, of course, 1,000. I wanted to give you a brief history of the channel and just also tell you where things go from here. My YouTube channel, Cooking with Jan, was just a hobby that I started, in the summer of 2020, more than 4 years ago. After watching a number of videos on YouTube from cooks, and these videos were both entertaining and very informative, and my father's a very good cook, so I have a little bit of a background. I also worked as a sauté chef when I was a teenager. And I thought to myself, what would it be like if I, with the few dishes that I've mastered, also do a YouTube channel? My background is that I'm a journalist, but to really reach people in a way that is immediate and also very rewarding, you do it by YouTube these days. What can I tell you? I still do reach people as a print journalist. I also would just like to really say how much I've appreciated all the support over these last 4 years from my viewers, from my friends and family, and also the praise, people who have told me that they've tried out my recipes and how they've gone, and also the constructive criticism that I've received. For example, we were relying just on the smartphone audio up until recently, and then I finally invested in a cordless microphone, and it's been a game changer. The tip was from my brother. So, Eric, thank you very much. I also have to thank my friend Mike Rom.
And remember, not every chicken sandwich is created equally. So let's start. And as I always say, hello, Jan.
This is what I mean about the support. We also invested in a new kitchen. It's just a great background for a studio, really. Although we still do complain about our oversensitive electronic stovetop.
Yeah, that has been brought up to a boil. I'm just going to turn up the heat a bit. I wish I had my dials so I didn't have to do 3 steps.
Not everything has gone swimmingly. Episode 12 we did on pizza.
Buongiorno, pizza! Viva Italia! Welcome back to Cooking with Jan.
The pizzas actually stuck to the countertop, and we had really an ordeal trying to get those pizzas in the oven. The reason was that we didn't bake them immediately, but we decided to go to the gym, work out, come back, and then bake the pizzas. But we had really a hell of a time trying to get those pizzas into the oven.
Look at that beauty.
Practice makes perfect, and not only have I improved dramatically as a cook by taking on new recipes, I've also improved dramatically as a presenter. I'm even myself very surprised. So I'd like to just tell you where we're headed from here, what videos you can look out for. We're planning on doing Wiener Schnitzel.
On the menu today we have Wiener Schnitzel. It's a breaded veal chop. But for today we'll be using pork meat because the butcher ran out of veal.
We'll do quiche Lorraine. It's also a request from Beth Distel and Brian Grady. And French onion soup, another request from Miss Distel. Thank you. Barbecue ribs in the oven. Simple and so delicious. I would make some coleslaw to go with that, of course. My signature coleslaw. And also finally my signature cheeseburger. So stay tuned. Give me a thumbs up when you view my videos, recommend them to others who may not know my channel, and of course, I'm absolutely delighted when you subscribe. So thank you again, and as Jacques Pepin says, happy cooking.